Good afternoon, everybody. I have that weekly chart. Yeah, you heard me on the what? The most famous of it all, the Philadelphia Sox Index, the chip pin sector. Yeah, the one that I shorted at the most extreme overbought today at the 2120 highs. Yeah, with the 2020 puts on this thing. And then it dropped $100 off of the high down to 2031. And it closes at 2033. Well, close to 100 points, about 90 some. It was overbought. And there's other semiconductor stocks. We shorted every last, almost the ones that we do. I like was beautiful. All five of them went down like a rock. People chased them
Market
to the
data connection
highs,
lost.
and when people like chasing things to the highs, guess what happens? A
Market
correction
data
happens.
connection re-established.
This has been the best bull rally sector of all. Always is. Philadelphia Sox Index, greatest one. Chip sector, always going to be on fire. It is somewhat seasonality at times. We're going into the earnings, and there's lots of new things going on in the chip sector over the last couple of months. A lot of them are going to be
Market
real
data
positive,
connection
and
lost.
some won't be positive. But it really doesn't matter. What matters was that
Market data connection re-established.
the leadership stocks in the Philadelphia Sox Index, like NVIDIA and LRCX and a couple few others, got way overbought and they had to come down. And you're always looking that the Philadelphia Sox Index is the ones that lead markets down. And they do. And then the internet sector and all of the other different sectors that got so grossly overbought. I haven't seen it since 1999. And you know what? It's always going to be the same effect. Prior to the pandemic, we were going through an extreme overbought, and I said we were going to come down hard. You just wait and see what happens between now and year end, pal. Yeah, you're an innocent bystander watching the video. You probably don't know a lot to start with, but I will tell you one thing. It will come clear to you at a later date. If you've been a speculator and a gambler in these markets, you're going to get taken to the woodshed and you're going to get killed, because that's what happens to those kind. That's always their outcome. Always will be. Never has changed, and it never will. Knowing when to sell at the highs, knowing when to have the best leaders,
Market
knowing
data
when
connection lost.
they're going to go down. And I really enjoyed it shorting
Market
Amazon
data
at
connection re-established.
$3,344, $33.44, and Amazon got crushed down to 3068. Oh yeah, for the people that chased that one among many others, all got taken to the woodshed again. Yeah, oh yeah. This is how it starts. It starts the way I say, pal. And, you know, the problem with gamblers and people that chase markets, they have no sense. Uh, they'll get weeded out between now and year end until their money is gone, goes up in smoke. Well, Philadelphia Sox Index had the monumental 52-week high. What a great bull run it was. It was the greatest. The chips always lead the bottoms, always have. Consolidate, weekly break higher, pull back, consolidate, 52-week high. And it got
Market data connection
so
lost.
overbought. It got so overbought you couldn't go but
Market
down.
data connection re-established.
Between now and year end. Let's see if you can make it past the next 30 days for you people watching the videos. Particularly the gambler type people who chase markets. Once again, it's just the beginning of the correction. during the earnings season, there'll be some bright spots in the chip sector. Still always going to be the strongest sector for the bull. And it definitely has been a great bull run.